Hey, what is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna go on a little rescue mission. I kinda had a little accident, had a tire come off a tractor on one of the hills back here. So we need to take the old truck out there in order to hook onto it so it don't roll away when we lift it up to put the tire on. So if you want to come join along and let's have some fun. We gotta keep going? Oh, it's down here. Oh, it's tight. So there's a million different ways of doing this, but I kind of already approached the idea here. And I'm just gonna run a winch line down to it and hook on, and then that way it's not gonna roll away. So I'm just gonna try to straighten up here and then we'll be right back. Somebody come run this winch line down here, please.
You can fall and fold. Well, yeah. On my way.
Okay, young feller. Nice and steady as she goes. Just, hey, grab that that cobalt bag, so that way he can put. Unless you can find a good spot to hook it on there, but you're gonna want probably on that ball. So we'll get him, get you a snatch block here, or a soft shackle, I should say. Normally I'd like to get a little straighter pull than this, but this vehicle I have not put on a since I changed the rear axle, the emergency brake stuff is different. I just need to, you know, put it all together. So I don't have a parking brake, so you definitely want to have a parking brake. That's why I didn't get it straight on like I would have liked to have. And you just use the smaller one. You don't need that ginormous one. Can you pull more? Or did I lock it? We are sitting on 2 wheels, boys. Look at that. I was kind of sending it a little ways, kind of fast, you know. Whoops. A little more.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh, I didn't have it locked, see? All right, now get that jack under there so we can... Okay, so she's definitely got some tension on her now. Let's get that up, get that tire on. Young feller, can you go all the way to the bottom and fetch the tire, please? It just kept on going, you know. So I figured it wanted to spend the night at the bottom of the hill, so. No, it way down the bottom of the hill. She sent herself down there and yeah, come off and kept going. I had a car that did that one time. Great story. All right. Now, I guess I can lift it up for you. Get it under over here. Right there. Think you can find that clip? The clip for that? Think you can find it? The one that popped off when my wheel come off? It's somewhere up the hill, obviously. Easy, bud. Will the tire go on now? No, it goes on one way or the other. One side's got a bushing in it already, and see, that's got a bushing, so that's out. We need the side. No. This one needs a bushing. There's a bushing on there. See the see the axle? So spin it around. Just like that. Yep. Get all the dirt off of it first. Come on now. A little more. She's slipping. Just wiggle it from the sides.
I think he has it on backwards.
No, it'll go. You gotta just line it up. Let me see. Yeah, you do. You need the bushing on. Remember? That side needs the bushing. There you go. There you go. All right, now hopefully one of these washers are gonna fit. See if that one will fit. We're gonna still need room to get the clip on though. See the groove?
I don't think it fits.
It's not big enough?
No, I don't think so.
Try this one. That's why these clips keep coming off, because I don't have the right washer on there.
Fit on there either.
Okay, well, we'll probably end up losing the clip again and lose the tire again, but hopefully we'll be on a level surface when that happens. All right, let me see it. Now we got to put this on there. You hold that. Of course, you didn't bring the right pliers, boys. Oh. Think we can go down without a clip on it at all? Probably not a good idea. Well, one of us are gonna have to walk back and get the four-wheeler. You guys didn't bring the four-wheeler?
No.
Oh, great. Who's walking? Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh no.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Well,
You both.
okay. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm too old, man. Oh.
I almost did scissors too. I almost did.
So I'm too old to walk, and I didn't feel like it. So I'm gonna winch line out until they get down to the bottom. So since I don't have a clip on there, I'm just gonna do the right thing, put his life on the line, and put my foot to keep the tire on there. But slow and steady wins this race. Uh-oh, he's stuck. Hold on. That's why I said hold on, so I can winch line back in. Well, we could go faster if you really want. I'll just unhook the winch line.
I mean, I'm having fun so.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as you die having fun, then, right? What's it matter?
Stop.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, tire.
Yeah, get it up over that hump. You're just driving. Get up there. Push the wheel forward. Turn it straight, you know. Yeah, that's not secured on that ball very well either there, boys. But it worked. Watch your legs.
What are you talking about? Secure? Okay, this is
All right, I think we're pretty much good for, you could watch your feet, because here you go. Don't lose the wheel, boys. Stop before it falls off. Hey, success. Right on. All right, time to pull this line back in. The old belt's got a chirp in it, so I haven't been filming as much lately because, you know, it's kind of hard for you viewers to hear all that. You'd rather hear the engine and stuff, I know. Definitely not my voice. But either way, if you enjoyed this short little adventure, then please come on back and join us next time, because I've got some videos of doing some off-roading that are going to come out soon. So anyway, thanks for watching.